Hello everyone, heartily welcome to our English class. Do you finished your last class homework? Okay students, are you ready for today's class? Today I will teach the lesson of the Attic in 10th standard English book 4th unit lesson. Okay students, all of you turn the page number 94. Attic was written by Satyajit Ray. Okay, let's go and watch the today proverbs. First one, better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Second one, a stiff apology is a second insult. A stiff apology is a second insult. Last, no sensible person ever made an apology. No sensible person ever made an apology. Okay, students, now I will start the lesson point of view. The narrator and Aditya were returning from the site of their new factory at Theodarganj. On the way to Calcutta, they decided to go to the Brahmpur, Aditya's native place, after 29 years. Aditya's father left the ancestral home and moved to Calcutta to set up his own business there. After his father's death, Aditya was looking after it. The narrator was his friend and business partner. Sasanga Sanyal led a hushed life. He sold his lands to get his only daughter married, and he lost his wife and only son last year. He stayed with his father's friend Jokesh Kabiraj. Father's friend name Jokesh Kabiraj. He was very poor that he could not buy spectacles. He was very poor that he could not buy spectacles. Aditya went to his ruined ancestral house with the narrator. Aditya went to his ruined ancestral house with the narrator. He went to the attic and searched for a silver medal which is an antique. After getting it, they went to a jeweller's shop to find out the weight of it. Then they went to meet Sanyal. Who is meet? Sanyal. Sanyal told Aditya that when they were studying in the school, Sanyal got the medal as a prize. But Aditya could not bear it, and he took it from Sanyal to show his father, but he never returned it to him. Now after 29 years, Aditya gave Sanyal 150 rupees as the price of the medal. Sanyal how much gave? 150 rupees. Okay, but Sanyal refused to accept the money. Sanyal refused to accept the money. Then Aditya gave the medal to Sanyal. On the medal was engraved Sriman Sasanga Sanyal special prize for recitation 1948. On the medal was engraved Sriman Sasanga Sanyal special prize for recitation 1948. Okay students, the moral of the story is importance of human values. What? Importance of human values. Human values are the virtues that direct us to consider the human element. Human values are the virtues that direct us to consider the human element. When we values are, do you see that? Okay, I will explain the example for the human values, acceptance, respect, appreciation, consideration, openness, listening, empathy, love and affection. What? Acceptance, respect, appreciation, consideration, openness, listening, empathy, love and affection towards other human being. Do you understand? Repeatedly I will set the examples. Acceptance, respect, appreciation, consideration, openness, listening, empathy, love and affection. Compulsory you follow the rules, you will achieve your aim. Okay students? Now I will go through the lesson new words. Attic, under the roof. Attic means under the roof. Crumpled, broken. Crumpled means broken. Rustic, typical of the countryside. Rustic means typical of the countryside. Affluent, wealthy. Affluent means wealthy. Antique means a piece of work of art that has a high value. Repeatedly I will set attic, under the roof, crumpled, broken, rustic, typical of the countryside, affluent, wealthy, antique, a piece of work of art that has a high value. Sixth one, excited, reminded. Excited means reminded. Next, particular, specific. Particular, specific. Smocks. Smocks means put forcefully. Smocks means put forcefully. Venting. Venting means letting out. Venting means letting out. Intently. Intently means carefully. Intently. Intently means carefully. Repeatedly I will set excited, reminded, particular, specific, smocks, put forcefully, venting, letting out, intently, carefully. Do you understand? Do you understand the new words? Okay students, carefully watch the new words and study well. Now I will ask some lesson questions. When did Aditya leave the local school? Repeatedly I will say, when did Aditya leave the local school? Second question, why did Aditya think that the school would not be recognizable? Third one, who were Aditya's ancestors? Repeatedly I will say, when did Aditya leave the local school? Why did Aditya think that the school would not be recognizable? Third one, who were Aditya's ancestors? Next, I will ask some short questions of this lesson. First one, write a few lines about the owner of the shop. Second one, what was the daily routine of Sanyal? Third one, why was there a sudden change in Aditya's expression? Repeatedly I will be told, write a few lines about the owner of the shop. What was the daily routine of Sanyal? Why was there a sudden change in Aditya's expression? Okay students. Now I will give one detailed. Don't afraid. It is a very easy detail. Give a detailed account of all thoughts and questions in the narrator's mind while accompanying Aditya from the tea shop to Sanyal's house. Give a detailed account of all thoughts and questions in the narrator's mind while accompanying Aditya's from the tea shop to Sanyal's house. Okay students, do you understand this story? Don't skip the story. Thank you for watching. Thank you.